The belly fat blues, we've all been there. It's a universal struggle that transcends age, gender, and lifestyle. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone just starting their health journey, belly fat seems to be the common enemy. Let's face it, belly fat is the worst. It's stubborn, unsightly, and can make us feel self-conscious. No matter how hard we try, it often feels like it's here to stay. It's the last to go when you're trying to lose weight. You might see progress in other areas, but that midsection seems to hold on for dear life. It's frustrating to say the least, and it's the first to come back after a vacation of indulgence. A few days of enjoying your favorite foods and suddenly your hard-earned progress seems to vanish. It's like a cruel joke. We pinch it, poke it, and wish it would just disappear. We try all sorts of remedies from fad diets to intense workout regimens hoping for a miracle. But why is belly fat so stubborn? What makes it cling to us despite our best efforts? Understanding this can be the first step towards effectively tackling it, and more importantly, what can we do about it? Knowledge is power, and by understanding the science behind belly fat, we can develop a strategy to combat it. Belly fat is more than just an aesthetic concern. It's not just about how we look in the mirror or how our clothes fit. It's a health hazard, plain and simple. Excess belly fat, especially the kind that surrounds your internal organs, is linked to serious health problems like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. This makes it crucial to address not just for our appearance, but for our overall well-being. The good news is that you're not alone in this fight. Millions of people around the world are dealing with the same issue, and many have found ways to successfully manage and reduce their belly fat. The good news is that you're not alone in this fight. There are communities, resources, and experts ready to help you on this journey. You're part of a larger movement towards better health. Millions of people struggle with belly fat. It's a common challenge, but it's one that can be overcome with the right approach. The even better news is that with the right knowledge and a little bit of effort, you can win this battle. It's about making informed choices and staying consistent with your efforts. In this essay, we'll explore the science behind belly fat, debunk common myths, and equip you with a practical, sustainable plan to banish that belly bulge for good. We'll look at dietary changes, effective exercises, and lifestyle adjustments that can make a real difference. Get ready to say goodbye to your belly fat and hello to a healthier, happier you. It's time to take control and transform not just your body, but your life. Subcutaneous versus visceral fat, it's not all created equal. Not all belly fat is created equal. There are two main types of fat that lurk beneath the surface: subcutaneous fat and visceral fat. Subcutaneous fat is the fat that lies directly under your skin. It's the kind you can pinch. While too much subcutaneous fat isn't ideal, it's not as dangerous as its more sinister counterpart visceral fat. Visceral fat is the fat that surrounds your internal organs, like your liver, intestines, and pancreas. It's like a ticking time bomb inside your body. This type of fat is metabolically active, releasing harmful substances that increase your risk of serious health problems. Think of visceral fat as a troublemaker that disrupts your body's normal functions. It messes with your hormones, increases inflammation, and wreaks havoc on your metabolism. This is why it's crucial to target visceral fat and reduce it to a healthy level. The good news is that visceral fat is more responsive to diet and exercise than subcutaneous fat. So by making positive lifestyle changes, you can effectively target and reduce this dangerous type of fat. Spot reduction. Sorry, but your body doesn't work that way. Let's address the elephant in the room, or should we say the myth in the gym: spot reduction. You know what we're talking about. The idea that you can target fat loss in specific areas of your body by doing endless crunches or squats. I hate to break it to you, but spot reduction is a myth. Your body just doesn't work that way. When you lose weight, you lose it from all over your body, not just from the area you're exercising. Think of it like this: you can't drain water from one corner of a swimming pool by scooping water out of that corner. The water level goes down evenly throughout the entire pool. Fat loss works in a similar way. So, while crunches and other ab exercises are great for strengthening your core muscles, they won't magically melt away belly fat on their own. The key to losing belly fat is to adopt a holistic approach that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, and other lifestyle changes. Section 4. Winning the War on Belly Fat, a Holistic Battle Plan. Losing belly fat isn't about finding a magic pill or a quick fix. It's a journey that requires dedication, patience and a willingness to make lasting changes. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can stick with for the long haul. These changes should be realistic and fit into your daily routine without causing undue stress. It's about adopting a holistic approach that addresses all the factors that contribute to belly fat, from diet and exercise to sleep and stress management. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in your overall health and well-being. Think of it as a multi-pronged attack on your belly fat. You're not just targeting one area, but rather, you're addressing the issue from multiple angles to ensure comprehensive results. You're not just changing what you eat, you're changing how you move, how you sleep, and how you manage stress. Each of these changes supports the others, creating a balanced and effective approach. It's about making small, gradual changes that add up to big results over time. These incremental steps are more manageable and less overwhelming, making it easier to stay committed. Here's a sneak peek at the key components of a successful belly fat busting plan. Each component is essential and works in harmony with the others to help you achieve your goals. Diet. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to function optimally and support weight loss. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These items can contribute to weight gain and make it harder to lose belly fat. Exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Regular physical activity helps burn calories and build muscle, which can boost your metabolism. Incorporate both cardio and strength training. Cardio exercises help burn fat, while strength training builds muscle, which can help you burn more calories even at rest. Intermittent fasting. Consider incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine. This eating pattern can help you control your calorie intake and improve your body's ability to burn fat. This involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. There are different methods of intermittent fasting, so find one that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Lifestyle changes. Get enough sleep, manage stress, and limit alcohol intake. These factors can significantly impact your weight and overall health. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into each of these components and provide practical tips to help you implement them into your daily life. We'll explore how to make these changes in a way that feels natural and sustainable. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Every small step you take is a victory in the battle against belly fat. Celebrate your achievements and stay motivated by recognizing the progress you've made. Section 5, you are what you eat and drink. Fueling your body for fat loss. You've heard it a million times. Abs are made in the kitchen. While it might sound cliche, there's a lot of truth to this saying. What you eat plays a crucial role in your belly fat loss journey. Imagine your body as a car. If you fill it with low-quality fuel, it's not going to run efficiently. It might sputter, stall, and struggle to get going. The same goes for your body. If you're constantly filling it with processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, it's going to struggle to burn fat and function at its best. Now imagine filling your car with high-quality fuel. It runs smoothly, efficiently, and has plenty of energy to spare. That's what happens when you nourish your body with whole, unprocessed foods. Here are some dietary tips to help you fuel your body for fat loss. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean protein, whole grains, these are your new best friends. Asterisk. Limit processed foods. Say goodbye to sugary drinks, packaged snacks, and fast food. Asterisk. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is your secret weapon. It helps you feel full, flushes out toxins, and keeps everything running smoothly. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are your allies in the fight against belly fat. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about making smarter choices. You can still enjoy your favorite foods in moderation. The key is to focus on nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Planning your meals ahead of time can make a huge difference. It helps you stay on track and avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, ensuring you're eating the right amount of healthy foods. Always read food labels. Look out for hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that can sabotage your fat loss efforts. Smoothies can be a great way to pack in nutrients. Just make sure to use whole fruits, vegetables, and a good source of protein. Healthy snacking is also important. Opt for snacks like nuts, seeds, or a piece of fruit to keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Practice mindful eating. Slow down, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Remember, the goal is to create a sustainable, healthy eating pattern that you can maintain long-term. It's not about quick fixes or extreme diets. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Each healthy choice you make is a step towards your goal. By fueling your body with the right foods, you're setting yourself up for success in your fat loss journey. You'll feel more energized, more focused, and more capable of achieving your fitness goals. And most importantly, you'll feel confident and proud of the healthy choices you're making. So start today. Make a commitment to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs, and watch as you transform not just your body, but your entire life. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and move closer to your fat loss goals. Take it one meal at a time, one day at a time, and you'll see the results you're looking for. You've got this. Fuel your body right, and the rest will follow.